Baking with Brandon. Today we're going to be making pancakes. Let's get started. Now, preheat your skillet to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So, in a large bowl, put in 3 cups of flour, 9 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 pinches of salt, 1, 2, and 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and the half. And mix it up. So it's all like this. So now separate 2 eggs from the whites. The whites go in a medium-sized bowl, and the yolks go in a large bowl. So yolk, and then this is how you separate eggs. You crack it in the middle, and you pull out the 2 pieces like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to keep going around until the whites are in this bowl, but the yolks are in that bowl over there. Like this. So, after you separate 2 eggs from the whites, put the whites aside because we're going to use them later. But to the yolks, add 2.5 cups of milk, half a cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And take a whisk and whisk it up until it's all kind of like this. So now you're going to take a spoon and make a well in the center of the dry ingredients with a spoon. And you're going to pour the wet ingredients into the center of the well. Then you're going to mix them all together until it's kind of like a thick batter. So, when your batter looks like this, then you're going to stop mixing. And then we're going to go and whip the egg whites to stiff peaks. So, now I have my electric mixer and the egg whites. You can use a normal whisk to whip the egg whites to stiff peaks, but it's a lot better if you use an electric mixer. So I'm going to mix it. So after your egg whites look like this, shut off your beaters and you test if they're stiff peaks. If when you keep pulling them up, you see those peaks right there? Oh no, do you see those peaks, like that peak right there? And it's standing up. The tip of it is standing up. That means it's done. So then you're going to take your egg whites and you're going to fold them into the batter like this. Scrape down all your egg whites so all your egg whites go in, and when all your egg whites are in, fold them. First, it's going to be really hard to fold it because it's going to be all like this, and the batter is going to be really thick and it will be hard to fold. But then after a bit, it should get easier. You can also kind of you want to stir a little bit, and then every once in a while fold. And also scrape down the sides and fold, and then stir a little bit, scrape down the sides and fold, like that. So when there's no egg white left, then you know it's done. And it's going to be like a nice batter. So then you're going to take 1 scoop of the batter and you're going to make sure, wait until there's no drips. And then you're going to go over and on your skillet and you're going to turn it on. You can do how many scoops you like. About 1.5 scoops to 2 scoops will work. But if you like smaller pancakes, you can do 1 scoop. I like my pancakes big, so I'm going to do 2 scoops. So you know your pancakes are done when there's kind of like bubbles on top, and when you check it and underneath it's golden brown. That will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And then to flip them, you want to get the pancake on, you want to flip. Then you want to get the pancake on and flip. And after that after you flip, move it a little bit. Then you're gonna get it on and then flip. And then the big one, get it on and flip. So after 2 to 3 more minutes, take the pancakes and take them off onto a plate that you can serve them on with maple syrup, butter, and whipped cream. So this was amazing pancakes by Baking with Brandon, served amazing with fresh strawberries, maple syrup, and melting butter on top. These are amazing pancakes by Baking with Brandon. Goodbye!